Nagre-record na. Yes! Nagre-record na. Today is July 4th.
4th of July.
Yes, happy Merc Day. So we are going to Tagaytay now for Morgan's dentist appointment with Doc Chari. And yeah, excited na daw siya. Excited ka na ba, Morgan? Weather naman is not so bad. It's not super cold. It's not super hot. At least right now. Pero yun nga, we'll see. We're wearing sweaters, Morgan and I, para medyo protected. And we're wearing hats. I'm wearing my hat or whatever this is from RR. So, yeah. Sponsored niya to. It's one of my favorites. So, yeah.
Grimace.
Ayun, si Grimace pala siya. No, I mean, bucket hat. Yan. Yeah, ito yung tawag sa this kind of hat. Dadaan muna kami ng Metro South because I'm gonna pick up my avocados from the house. Tanim yun. Tanim pa nila. Ano ba yan? Tanim pa yun nila nanay. So, super excited kasi favorite ko ang avocado. Ang mahal mo lang avocado. So, lagi ko na lang kinukulit si Ate Ina na kapag meron ng avocados yung puno namin and pwede nang pitasin, please let me know because I will be there. I will pick it up. Yan, so, yes, meron akong avocado for the weekend. Yun na nga. So, bye. Mamaya na ulit. Pagdating na siguro sa Metro South. Bye.
Cut up from Mexico.
Out of the bulan, I'm here. Bloody Dentist, Tita Dot, Sorry, Badila toothpaste, strawberry toothpaste, and toothbrush, Tismosila.
Nagbabay na. Tismosila.
So, ayun, before, hindi ko pala na-mention, nagbabay agad ako, pero yun nga, ang ano namin kay Morgan, or ako kay Morgan, kapag pupunta na kami ng dentist, piniprep ko na siya, yung parang pinipektok ko na siya, yay, muna tayo kay Doc Chari, lilinisin yung ipe para wala mga cavities, ganyan. And excited naman siya, kasi before, nung a lot younger siya, super, actually yung mahirap ba kay Morgan nun? Hindi rin naman masyado, no? Talagang nakikipag-cooperate naman siya, diba? So, hindi naman pala masyado mahirap. Kasi talagang, pero yung sa toothbrush medyo syempre challenging yun in the beginning, pero ngayon super easy na lang, super. Pero madali rin naman siyang nag-adjust nun sa pag-toothbrush ng bata siya. Normal lang naman yung pag 1-year-old kayo, hindi ka masanay-sanay, pero ngayon. Pero si Daddy Sweet, super make sure niya na masasanay din si Morgan mag-toothbrush. Nung time na yun, pandemic pa no, naaalala ko, re-wrestling pa silang dalawa para lang pag-toothbrush. Sweet, insert that picture here. If you have that, please insert that picture so they know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you'll find it. So, again, insert it. Okay? So, okay. See you in a bit.
Shrimp tao. Shrimp. Sana yung shrimp. Shrimp sila. Shrimp nila, hey. Doing the house. Some shrimp get you. With the food.
If anyone can caption whatever she just said, please do. Something about tao not crossing because she was worried.
Out the English kasi po siya.
Pero sabi kasi ng doctor niya, the reason minsan hindi siya maintindihan magsalita, obviously because walang ipin yung taas niya. So, yung pronunciation, hindi niya magawa, walang ma-roll, walang pang stop ng tongue. So, that's why. Pero as soon as lumabas na yung ipin niya, she should be so much better. Much better. Lapit na kami sa Metro South. No? Sana wag nilang tanggalin ang puno na ire. Kita nyo ba yung mga puno? Sana wag tanggalin. Pero sure, hindi yan nangyayari na hindi tatanggalin kasi ino-urbanize na masyado ang Cavite. And syempre, doon na rin yung mga puno is nag-damage. So, hindi na rin safe to have them around. Pero kawawa naman sila. Ganda kasi tignan, di ba? Hindi ko alam, na-mention ko ba na dadan tayong Metro South?
Yes.
Yes. Nakalimutan agad. So, I got my avocados. I think this bag is at least 5 kilos. Maybe.
Yeah.
It's so heavy. But
No, more
look!
than 20.
Oh, grabe. Ang dami kong avocado. Hindi pa siya hinog, pero papahinugin ko siya sa bahay. Can you see that? So, plan ko is wait ko siyang mahinog ng konti, tapos mahinog, and then gagawa ko yung avocado with Bear Brand and asukal blend, ganyan. So, and then if freezer ko lang siya, so anytime I want to eat some, it's ready. And then also yung ibang hinog nito, kakainin ko with sunny side up and toyo. And for kake, perfect combination yun. And then if I want rice, then I'll maybe eat rice, but trying to avoid rice again. So, but yeah, super happy. Thank you, Ate Ina, for picking this for me. So happy. Ito lang nagpapahappy sa aking avocado na prutas. Avocado from Metro South. Okay, bye. Avocado from Metro South. 10 years later, we're still on the road. Pagod na ako. Gugutom na ako.
Na-anticipate mo kasi.
Nga eh. Kasi we're going to Treetop Restaurant. I am gonna order chicken biryani. Super craving for their chicken biryani. Tinignan ko na yung menu nila isang araw pa. So looking forward to pig on that for lunch today. And I don't know, we'll check the menu again later to see if there's anything else I can pick on. Ikaw, ano order mo? Morgan and Jane will probably have something silog para busog. So, ayan.
Gutom na ako.
Ang tagal pa ba? Ilang minutes pa?
Lapit na tayo pala.
Sa dentist, ayun. So, waiting pa. Malapit na daw. Gutom na ako. Hindi pa kasi ako nagpe-breakfast. I don't eat breakfast. Usually lunch
Bread?
lang. No, because I was saving my appetite for chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
But I'm happy! Meron ako avocado! Thank you! We're here! Okay, tapos na kami sa dentist ni Morgan kay Doc Chari. And super quick lang. It was I think 5 minutes or 10 minutes lang yung procedure. Super quick kasi nakikinig na si Morgan ng maayos, nahirapan si Doc, super good, and ayun. And syempre dahil dentist din si Doc, alam din niya yung mga technique para mapakinig ang mapakinig ang mga bagets. So ayun, so ganda talaga kapag specialty yun ng doctor. Hindi rin hirap yung bata, hindi traumatizing, diba? So, really good. So now, we're off to Treetop Restaurant. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Gutom na ako. Tinignan ko na nga ulit yung menu. So, tinype ko na yung mga menu. Yung mga orders namin. And then, para o-orderin na lang mabilis. Hindi na kailangan pang magtagal magbasa ng menu. Ganun din ba kayo? Before kayo pumunta sa mga restaurants, as much as possible, tinitignan nyo muna yung mga menu or you ask for the menu and then nagpaplano na kayo ng mga order nyo. And then nananakam na kayo, nag-rules na kayo. Good way na yon para hindi matagal, order na lang, tas kain, lalo na kung gutom and pag may batang kasama. And budget friendly na din. Kasi expect mo na kung magkano yung gagastusin. So, yun. So, really good. So excited. Hungry. And after namin kumain, uwi na rin kami. So, yun lang naman ang aming agenda for today. Morgan's dentist appointment and then eat and then uwi. And yeah. Okay. Almost there na. We're here na, kaso napaaga yata kami. Grabe. Lagi nilang kaming una sa lahat ng bagay. We're here. Wala naman lumalapit to tell us na wala po kaming restaurant today. Baka meron na nga. Go. Tanong mo nga. Where's my phone? Uno momento! Alam mo, ever since na nagkaroon ako ng banks, hindi na ako ma-recognize ng cellphone ko. Kakainis. Tuesday to Sundays, 10 a.m. nga. But I'm hungry. Maybe
Pwede ba tayo dyan? Wala namang nagsasabi.
sige, puntahan mo.
Tama.
Sige, puntahan mo. ASMR. Gutom edition. Oo, pili ka na ng pwesto. Yung maganda sa taas. 1 second. Ano? She got scared for no because of the manok.
Hindi lang yan.
Ano sabi ni order?
What?
Ay!
Level. Sana to?
Oopsie.
Siguro may 9. Yaris 8. Ngayon lang, may best na ikaw.
Ang lambot. May ulam ka ba mo? Mo pa yung fish mo, anak ha? Ulit talaga. Sarap.
No po.
Ano kung lalamig? Kaya. Grabe.
What?
No.
Ano ba yung daddy ito?
Ingat pa din. Hello po. So, pauwi na kami. Nagpapagas lang. So, 3 top experience. I ordered biryani. Walang chicken biryani. So, no choice but to order beef biryani. Sarap siya, pero naumay ako ng bongga. Kasi ang laki ng, marami siyang portion. Plus, hindi ako makain nga ng beef. Pero, yeah, I was just so set on eating biryani. So, that's why no choice but to eat beef biryani this time. Ayun. Anyway, okay naman. Yung sisig malutong. Si Morgan nakadalawang order ng rice. Tama. And may manok. May manok doon, yung maliliit. Tapos nakakatawa yung reaction ni Morgan. Tapos sinataas yung pa sa dining table. Which was a bit, syempre, scary kasi baka tumaob yung buong table. Tapos, okay sana. Ano naman yung food? I ordered sea salt matcha latte. This one right here. It's right here. 230 pesos siya. It's quite pricey for the price or for the size. My ID. Okay. Why do you need my ID? Here. Medyo pricey siya for the price, for the size, pero masarap naman. Really strong taste ng matcha. So you know it's pure matcha with sea salt cream. Really good. Very earthy taste. So it's good. Hindi siya floral type of matcha, which I don't really enjoy. Gusto ko yung earthy. Ayokong uminom ng matcha tas lasang sampagita. Hate that. Anyway, so ayun pa sa 3 top, masarap yung biryani, super lambot ng meat. Yung kaning, really good, fluffy. Yun nga, yung sisig, crispy. Pero sabi ni Sweets, ano yung
Puro chicharon.
parang machicharon like. Tapos yung bangus nila, na boneless bangus na silog. Gustong gusto ni Morgan. Ang laki niya, boneless nga siya. Tapos, nakadalawang order ng rice si Morgan. Si Jean, beef tapa. I think she like it naman. So, order din sila ng mga drinks. Ayun. Ang medyo nakakairita lang doon was yung mga langaw. Kasi outdoor restaurant siya. So, yung nailabas na yung mga food namin, naglabasan na rin ng mga flies. Ang lalaki nila, parang mga magkakaibang barangay na langaw na nagsama-sama sa pwesto namin. So habang makain kami, nagpapagpagang kami ganun. So, medyo nakakawala siya ng appetite kumain, diba? Kasi worried ka na baka dapuan yung pagkain mo, yung drinks mo. Especially pagkain ni Morgan. So, I was like eating, chewing, and then doing this at the same time. But yeah. Pero sabi ni Sweets, baka daw kasi sa amin ng biryani, kaya naglapitan sila lahat, which was probably true. Pero kakainis pa din yun, no? Diba? Yun. Pero, yun. All in all, yeah. So, yung food, at pauwi na kami. Nandito na kami sa Indang. Indang ba to? Ay, kasi na wala kami. Yarn! Kapapuwang! Morgan, what do you say? Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ka na. So, next gala ulit. I don't know when, pero can't wait to gala for sure sa birthday celebration namin ni Morgan. Alis kami to celebrate. Bye! Ciao! Let's go! Bye, guys! Have a cool one!